morning!
Good morning!
We're on a spontaneous road trip to have some fun in the nice weather, shoot some nice photos, fly some drone, and just enjoy. We are in the very south of Sweden, the most southern point in Sweden, Smygehu.
Yeah.
It's right over there somewhere.
We were driving, we're having a spontaneous road trip, and now we took a spontaneous stop here, and the weather is really nice. We're gonna enjoy the day, we're gonna fly some drone.
Kind of want to make a very cinematic video today with some good B-roll.
Good old B-roll.
Some good drone shots, color correction and so on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna explore, just head out, do the things we usually do.
Yeah. And collect energy. We try to collect energy. Sometimes you find it like here, the flow of energy, you know? That's really important to get going.
You get some good energy there?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I got it.
You always gotta collect good old energy.
Because it's always there somewhere.
Even the days when you really don't feel it, you can always collect some energy.
Lift that stone and underneath you will.
And maybe that stone is super heavy.
Yeah.
But
maybe
if
you will not make it that day at all. But the day after you're gonna get up.
You're gonna make it.
Yeah.
You gotta feel that positive spark and just, I don't know, create, have fun, hit it. It's a new thing for me to like fly it inside a car when you don't really know where you are. But I mean, the surrounding is super calm, no cars, no nothing, no dangerous things, and there is no wind today, so
yeah, it's really cool to sit inside and just like let it circle around you, have a look around while sitting there, and gonna be some nice footage from that one, I think.
I think so too. You get better and better at it, so you find some good cinematic.
Yeah, and I mean the thing is that we didn't even drive so far. Like we came from, we were driving, I don't know, 2 kilometers or something only.
So let's rest with the drone for a while.
Yeah.
And go by the coast. The coast is right over there. And we're gonna go to have lunch somewhere. And then we're going to the cliffs.
Yep.
That's the plan.
See you there.
So that's some good drone footage.
Yes, indeed.
It's not perfect, but it's getting there. That counts. It's super fun to fly, and it's a bit tricky with the technique.
But it's an awesome
toy.
Awesome toy, definitely.
Yeah. It gives so different perspectives and like cinematic feel to it that I really enjoy. So it's good. Lunchtime,
then more coast time, cliff time,
flight time,
drone time.
good time. We're back in a different location.
Yeah, what kind of it's kind of like a ruin, but not really a ruin. It's a
how do you say heritage?
Yeah, heritage.
I don't know. It's a place with Viking leftovers. No, it's called Ales Stenar, and it's you will see when we get there. We had lunch, fish and chips, kind of.
Yeah,
that's good. Refilled with energy, pumped, feeling good.
I'm feeling energetic.
Yeah.
And I need to pee also, and I need a coffee later.
Or 2.
Yeah.
Let's head up.
got David preparing.
The view is pretty nice.
It is amazing actually. The highlight for today, to fly the drone along this coast here. Over here you can see parts of the stoneship monument from the Viking era, called Ales Stenar.
Coffee time.
Coffee time.
We're having some coffee time. Important. The main goal with this road trip was to practice and
my bad.
was to practice
Yes.
Was to practice the drone flying skills, and it would be nice if you want to criticize or if you want to give me feedback.
Give us some honest feedback on especially the drone footage, I guess, and to see what we came up with. I mean, I think for one day you practiced quite a lot in different spots.
Different spots, different locations. Now we're gonna drink up some good coffee. Very needed for me, at least. I kind of dropped in energy. But
I never say no to coffee, actually. That's
you never.
How could I?
Oh, you know what we have missed?
No.
The quote. Ricardo's quote of the day. Yeah.
If you're unsure how much coffee to take at least 1 spoon more.
Then you're very well suited for a very good day.
And that worked excellent.
Yeah. I say we jump from this location back to my apartment. Shall we? Hit it.
Hey!
And we're back!
And we're back at the hostel!
The location!
Our heart!
We just checked the footage from the drone. It's fairly good, I would say.
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it too.
Gives me a lot of inspiration, at least, for calming things. So yeah, we're kind of tired. We're gonna end the night with a nice dinner at your place.
Where are you headed?
Where are you headed?
Yeah.
Good question. Shall we end in a fairly common way?
Yeah.
With some wise words from our
wise words.
friends.
If you ever fly close enough to the sun, you might be burned the way you are supposed to. Yeah. And that's it!
See you in the next one!